2021 C10 Chevy truck, 15,000 Irving, Texas. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 is a classic American pickup with a clean, understated patina brown paint job that speaks to its vintage appeal. Featuring a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck offers a solid foundation for both everyday driving and potential customization. Key upgrades include headers, a 4-barrel carburetor, disc brakes on the front, power steering, and a tilt wood grain steering wheel. The truck comes with new tires mounted on chrome wheels, ensuring both reliability and a classic aesthetic. Registered, tagged, and insured since 2010, this C10 has been well maintained by its owner. Originally sold at Stakely Chevrolet in Dallas, Texas, it has a rich local history. The odometer shows 35,000 miles, but it has rolled over. With its strong mechanical upgrades and vintage charm, this C10 offers a lot of value at its asking price. National 2 1970 Chevy Classic Vintage Truck, $15,500, Independence, Kansas. This 1970 Chevrolet truck is a long bed powerhouse with a 350 V8 engine, a 4-barrel carburetor, and a 700R4 transmission. Its posi-traction rear end ensures better handling, especially under challenging conditions. A bed liner and leaf springs enhance its functionality, making it a versatile classic suitable for work or leisure. The blue paint adds a pop of vintage appeal, though the seller notes the presence of rust and bondo, making it a potential project for enthusiasts. The tilt steering and new tires improve comfort and drivability. With a clean title and 72,000 miles on the odometer rolled over, this truck represents a great blend of originality and customization potential. Three, 1970 Ford F-250 Highboy, $16,500, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A true workhorse from the late 1960s, this 1974 Ford F-250 Highboy features a 390 cubic inch FE engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent mechanical upgrades include new brakes, a mini starter, headers, and a full exhaust system, ensuring reliability and strong performance. This pickup has a classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and retains its rugged character with minimal rust. The body style harks back to the 1967 design, making it a rare find. With 54,000 miles on the odometer and an overall good condition, this truck is ready to hit the road or become a weekend restoration project. (1977) Chevy K5 Blazer 4x4, $18,000, California. This 1977 Chevrolet K5 Blazer is an eye-catching 4x4 with a bold red paint job and a custom truck conversion. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, providing plenty of power for off-road adventures. The front clip has been updated to an 87 style, and the Blazer boasts numerous new parts. Its condition is described as excellent, making it a ready-to-enjoy classic for enthusiasts seeking a capable and stylish off-road vehicle. 1967 Chevy pickup truck C10, $19,500, Boulder Creek, California. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 is a beautifully modified short bed pickup featuring a brand new cam 350 engine with minimal miles. It includes modern touches like a new seat, carpet kit, and sound deadening insulation. Lowered for a sportier stance, the truck also boasts headers and a clean body that's ready for paint. The seller offers multiple sets of wheels, adding to its appeal as a customizable classic. This truck combines power, style, and potential for further personalization. 6. 1968 El Camino Malibu Hot Rod, 19500, Roseville, California. This 1968 Chevrolet El Camino is a muscle car with truck functionality. It features a built 327 V8 engine with double diamond heads, headers, dual exhaust, and an Edelbrock intake and carburetor. The silver and black paint highlights its aggressive styling, while bucket seats and a center console enhance its interior comfort. Equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission with a shift kit, rear air shocks, and tinted windows, this El Camino balances performance with practicality. Though the factory AC requires attention, the car remains a stunning example of late 60s Chevrolet craftsmanship. 7. 1967 Ford Ranchero Low Miles, $18,000, Denver, Colorado. This 1967 Ford Ranchero is a rare blend of utility and sport, based on the Fairlane 500 platform. Its original 289 V8 engine, 2-barrel carburetor, and automatic transmission remain untouched, contributing to its collector value. The 55,000 miles on the odometer are believed to be original. The green paint and rust-free body make it a standout, while new wheels and tires ensure modern drivability. An ideal car for shows or leisurely drives. 8. 1941 Ford Pickup, $16,500, Portland, Oregon. This 1941 Ford Pickup features a V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The truck's body is 98% rust-free, constructed entirely from original Henry Ford steel. The chrome trim remains in excellent condition, enhancing its vintage charm. Though not currently road-ready, this truck only requires minor work to return to its former glory. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to own a pre-war classic. 9. 1949 Studebaker 2R5, $18,000, Colorado. A true piece of post-war innovation, this 1949 Studebaker 2R5 combines a flathead 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission featuring overdrive. Extensive restoration work includes media blasting, rust prevention, and a bed upgrade with oak wood. With its sleek black paint and modern upgrades like 12-volt wiring, this truck is a great example of Studebaker's mid-century design ingenuity. 1947 Dodge pickup, $16,000, sold in Mississippi. This 1947 Dodge WD-21 pickup showcases a freshly rebuilt engine with only 100 miles on it. Converted to a 12-volt electrical system, it starts and runs reliably. Its blue paint with black fenders highlights its classic style. Perfect for enthusiasts looking for a unique post-war truck, this Dodge is ready for the road or the next car show. Ash 11, 1949 Chevy Pickup 3100, $18,000, Lamont, Illinois. This 1949 Chevrolet 3100 retains its factory original inline-six engine and 3-speed column shift transmission. It has been updated to a 12-volt system and includes power steering for modern convenience. Owned by the same family for decades, this truck embodies a rich history and is a great example of mid-century American craftsmanship. Of 1946 Ford 1-ton stake body, $15,000, Ocala, Florida. This 1946 Ford stake body truck features a small block Ford Marine engine and an automatic transmission. Its wooden bed and original side slats have been restored, and the truck retains its mechanical brakes. An excellent option for collectors of functional vintage trucks. This 1-ton Ford is both practical and stylish. Nash 13, 1946 Chevrolet truck, $19,900, Waukesha, Wisconsin. This 1946 Chevrolet truck features a rebuilt engine and a charming patina that reflects its Moonshiner heritage. With 100,000 miles, new lights, and a fresh radiator, it runs and drives like new. This Chevrolet embodies the rugged charm of post-war pickups, making it an attractive choice for collectors seeking a usable vintage truck.